Hey, I'm Maddie.
And I'm Tim.
And we're in Norway to shoot 3 short films together. One in a day, one in a week,
And one where we have an entire month to produce and edit it.
should we cut to a cinematic sequence?
Does a duck's boner tread weeds?
Oh, I think it does.
So we have 24 hours to conceptualize and film this, and we decided on you're currently living the good old days. So we're kind of going with that theme. I foresee it like maybe not being our best work, but I'm super curious to see what we can come up with.
Yeah, I think it's gonna be unreal, but honestly, I think we should get started. Yeah, what if we chose the music first?
That actually might be a good call. Maybe we go to Artlist and just have a look and see what's going on there. You can sort by like genres, and I think retro is one of them.
What are you thinking for the song?
Patiently waiting on my dreams to come true. Hoping and praying.
I think the vibe of the song is perfect, but if we realize it's not the song, we know the vibe of it.
Only one thing to do.
Go out there and shoot, baby.
How you feeling?
I'm gonna be feeling real good, robotic with this tape, you know what I mean?
Robotic.
All right, we're about 3 hours and 45 minutes in.
Yeah, just to round up, we have like 20 hours left to produce this film, and the beach is going down in about 2 hours, but first a hike.
Yeah,
Yeah.
look at this light, man.
Oh, just insane. Like, this is definitely the best day we've had so far, and I'm so fired up to get this one going on the beach. So
Let's go, dude.
Hell
20
yeah.
hours.
20 hours.
Let's go.
Clock's ticking. Let's go.
This was probably the most insane beach we had ever been to. I mean, look at this place. The bad part, we had to switch our entire plan from shooting at the beach to shooting at the top.
It's grindy. I don't know. I don't know if this is gonna work.
Dude, officially less than 19 hours remaining.
Yeah, it's just scary. You gotta stop doing the countdown. Because I don't know if we're getting this done in time.
Hootie hoo! Look at this.
Oh God, dude. He's on the Snorri cam. Tim, we've been at this way too long. The bugs are here. I don't want to shoot anymore. Can we go edit?
Okay, but like, how beautiful was that place?
It was absolutely insane, and I'm so excited to show them, but fuck, am I tired.
Let's hit the editing room, dude.
But I'm out.
You never really know when it's coming, but you better believe you'll know when it's there. True story. I must have been searching, though I wasn't looking for much. Checking out the scene.
4,
I think I beat
3.
the timer.
Guys, guess what? What? The film's ready, baby!
We're pretty proud of it. Yeah?
I'm proud of
no,
y'all.
we're really proud. We're really
Make sure the
proud.
volume's up.
What if these are the good old days?
Maybe they are.
Patiently waiting on my
Funny thing
dreams
is,
to come true.
we usually don't realize it.
Hoping and praying.
Not till they're gone.
One day that
But this time, we did. We slowed down, tuned in, treated every moment like it might matter more than we think. We weren't perfect, but we were present. We chased meaning, we built who we wanted to be, on purpose. So when we look back, we don't miss the good old days. We remember living them.
one day I'll be one of them, but patiently waiting till then.
Okay, so we're officially kicking off the 7-day film challenge now. I'm super pumped on that, but the 24-hour challenge did not come without its struggles. For me, pivoting
halfway through and going away from the original idea that we had leaving the house was really tough for me. Tim, what was the hardest part of the 24-hour film for you?
For me, it was definitely the feeling of being rushed. I've never produced a film in 24 hours before, and so typically I've got lots of time to pre-prod, yeah, pre-prod and ideate and bring it all together, but that part was a little tough for the 24 hours.
Yeah, definitely. So as this is our first day starting the 7-day film challenge, me and Tim have to go inside. We do have to do some of that PP pre-production. So let's go do that now. And I actually have a song that I want to show you. PP.
Check this. So it's called Vancouver. It's a little bit more mellow than our first film. Dude, I think that's perfect, right? It's a good contrast. Yeah, I can picture it. I'll do the VO for this one, and then we'll use like the AI voiceover for the last one.
That's perfect.
Fuck yeah, son.
Buddy, you ready for the hike? Oh, so ready. Mom's ready at the top. We got a little call going live up there. Colby's getting taped up here. Got mine taped, ready to go. We're just gonna do some pickup shots pretty much. And like we say, we've been shooting so much this week that there's some things we can just drag and drop in this, so. Not too bad, hey Tim? Not too shabby. This one's a walk in the park.
It was crazy. 3 in the morning, peak midnight sun, our last night in Lofoten, and the whole crew was out together. We said goodbye to 6 amazing people, but Tim and I still had some work to do. We headed to Senja to finish our last 2 films, and if Lofoten blew you away, Senja was just as good, maybe even better.
We have 3 days left to finish this 7-day film.
Buddy, I'm so hyped. We're calling it Sending Senja.
Sending Senja. That's what we'll call this chapter name.
Let's do it, buddy.
Chunger.
Let's go. Seven-day reveal. Let's go.
Yeah. You use the suction cup for the ceiling shot, right?
If you had just 7 days to live, would you keep scrolling? Keep waiting for the right time? We wouldn't. We'd say the things we've been holding in. Take the long way home. Reward ourselves for a job well done. Sing badly but proudly. Call our moms.
Love you, Mom. We'll bring you here in retirement.
And watch sunrise without checking the time. We'd live like it's all about to end. Because technically, it always is. But here's the twist. What if the countdown already started and you've got no idea how many days are left? What then?
Let's go, buddy.
That's
great.
Appreciate it.
You guys crushed it.
I love the music that you chose.
So now we're moving into the 30-day film, and how that's going to work essentially is Tim and I are going to say goodbye to each other. We only have 3 days left in Norway here, but first we need to conceptualize the 30-day film. This time we're going with the AI voiceover from Artlist, and we have to find a song. PP number 3, PP number 3,
We should almost start with the voiceover.
Commercials, explainers, trailers, documentaries, okay.
In the heart of the Amazon, a lost tribe.
Not enough. How about a professor?
colors are manifestations of light interacting with matter.
That one's kind of cool. Can you throw in our thing? How does it work?
So essentially, text to voice. So we copy and pasted like from our Milanote. This is like a rough script that you and I came up with.
I used to believe the best stories were born in solitude. That to find yourself, you had to leave, chase horizons, climb peaks, stare into silence until it finally spoke back.
And then you're like, wait, that's way too fast for the voiceover that we're giving. So you can dial it back to like 0.8. This is the 0.9 sad American.
I used to believe the best stories were born in solitude.
Okay, it was 0.9. And then this one we changed to neutral.
I used to believe the best stories were born in solitude.
Not bad.
Final day in Norway. How you feeling?
Honestly, I feel kind of not ready to go home just because like this film, like this is our last day to shoot and we have like a lot of pickup shots. But we were just in the car on the ride here. It was an hour and a half and we came up with a shot list of like 10 shots that we must have for the 30-day film.
I think they're gonna come to life here.
Yeah, let's go shoot and enjoy our last hike in Norway.
Let's do it, dude. All right, Tim, we successfully filmed and edited 2 short films. We got 1 left, but we shot it all yesterday. I guess we have like 27 days to put this together. How do you feel about everything? Potentially one of the craziest 2 to 3 weeks of my life. We got 2 of them done, which we're super pumped about, and we got a ton of filming done for the last one. Now we got to hit the editing room. Yeah, we're going back to Canada, and I guess that's all she wrote. Let's hop a plane, buddy. Post-production.
Traveling with 9 other creatives, shooting under the midnight sun, and working on tight deadlines pushed me in ways I never expected. I learned so much from Tim and everyone else on the trip, and I know I'll never make another travel short film alone again. Now it's just down to one thing, finishing the final film. And a huge thanks to Artlist for helping make this possible. Here's to more adventures ahead.
Buddy, it's been a while since I've seen ya. How you been since Norway?
Flying all over the place, shooting projects, and editing like crazy.
Dude, for me, yeah, same thing. Came home from Norway. Like in the back of my mind, I've been thinking about like this video. I really wanted to like dissect like what we learned from each other on this trip because I know I got a lot of value from you and hopefully you got something from me. Yeah, I think you're a lot more experienced in like creating short films and it's like what you're passionate about, what you want your like YouTube channel to like be almost like exclusively. You were really good at showing me in Norway, like when we got to sit down and edit together, like how that flows.
I definitely, like one big takeaway I got from you was like how to just be yourself and like truly like be authentic. And I fucking love that about you, dude.
I used to believe the best stories were born in solitude. That to find yourself, you had to leave. Chase horizons, climb peaks, stare into silence until it finally spoke back. So we did. We packed our cameras, crossed oceans, scaled mountains, and wandered far from everything familiar, searching for meaning in the stillness. But the deeper we looked inward, the more something felt hollow. It wasn't the landscapes, it wasn't the footage, it was what we left behind, each other. Because the truth is, the best stories aren't forged alone. They're sparked in conversation, in friction, in laughter, in the late night edits, and the what if we try this moments, in the people who remind us who we are and who we're not. This trip began as a quest to find ourselves, but somewhere between the silence and the shared glances, we found something bigger.
My partner in crime right here.
A quiet truth. No matter how far we go, no matter how personal the journey feels, we are not whole without each other. And the story was never just ours to tell. It was ours to relive.
I can't jump with this backpack.
Yeah, true. Okay, I love you guys.
Love you too, bro.
Later, Tim.
Safe flight.
Deuces.
Take it easy, buddy.